So if unit question, you go and use branch, very likely you are wrong. Because if you use the wrong method, of course, it's wrong. Just like if you triangle, you go and use length times breadth times height, of course, that's wrong, right? Right? Does it make sense? So for unit, it's very simple. So how many people? A, B, C, D. Just highlight. I mean, just label A, B, C, D. So they say A had 1/2 as many bits as Banu. So what's the ratio here after this? Let's say the question is this. So what's the ratio? So over here, Ali is 1, right?
Yes.
Banu is 2. Simple?
Yes.
So there is one U and 2U. That's how you start. That's why I call it the units question. Then now it says the total number of bits Ali and Banu had. So total means 3U, right?
Yeah.
So that means this statement over here, until here is 3U.
And it's very true.
And then this had was 3/5 the number of bits Chai Xuan had. So just nice 3U.
5 years.
So 5U is Chai Xuan, so it's 5U, right? Then Dave had 2/5 the total of the 4 children have, right?
Yeah.
So that means in this case, Dave is 2U, total is how many U?
5 years.
5U. But you see, hey, total is 5U, but over here ABC already add to 8U.
2 more.
So yeah. So no, so in a way, right, your total here is not enough to accommodate. Your total here is not enough to accommodate this ABCD. So you need to.
I have to minus 5 and.
No. The total, okay. Based on the Dave had 2/5 the total number of bits the 4 children had. So Dave is 2U, then the total will be 5U.
Yes.
But this 5U is not enough to accommodate even ABC. So definitely it's not 5U, you know. Definitely it's more than 5U, you know. But so if you increase your T here, let's say 5 times 1 is 5U, right? 5 times 2 will give you 10U, right?
Yeah.
So therefore, if 5U, I realize 5U, I cannot accommodate even ABC. So you cannot take 5U here. So you take the next one will be 10U. So if this is 10U, means your total is times 2. So your this T also must times 2 so that you maintain the...
48.
No, you maintain what?
No, 48.
What 48? Your this 5 you times 2 to get 10U, right? So this 2 you also must times 2 to get 4U.
Oh.
Right? So you get 10U, right?
Yeah.
To maintain the 2 to 5 ratio. Understand?
Yes.
But now you see, if this is 10, right?
Yeah.
Does it make sense if this is 4U?
No.
So cannot. So that means 10U also not enough. So times 2 also cannot. So you must times
3.
correct, times 3. So it's 15U. So to maintain the 2 to 5, so this must times 3. That will give you 6U, right?
Yeah.
So now it's 6U. So what do you think? Is this
It's
15U?
7:45.
No.
Yes or no?
No.
No, right?
This is 14.
Huh?
This is 14U, right?
This is 14U. Yes, correct. So how? In this case, how?
So the total has A, B, C, D, which is including Dan.
Yeah.
And Dan had 24. I mean 2 units. So 5 units minus 2 units.
What do you mean 5 unit minus 2 unit? I don't understand.
That's why I tried to explain.
So what I'm trying to tell you is you times 3 is 15U, right? That's the total, right? Then you realize Dave is 6U because of the ratio here, right? Then you realize you cannot use this, no matter how you continue. Okay? Why this is wrong then? This is a common mistake. This is wrong because ABC we use U is correct. You know why it's correct? Because all this ABC we use U already. Dave and the total we cannot use U anymore. That's the mistake we make. Okay? So in here they say Dave and total is 2 to 5. The ratio is 2 to 5.
There's a new ratio.
So this is the new ratio. You cannot use the U here.
Yeah.
The mistake made was we use U. Cannot. So over here you can only use a different letter. P. Then you solve the question already. So if this is 2P, the total is 5P. So what it means is A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 5P, right?
Yeah.
So since D is already 2P, so that means A plus B plus C is how many P?
How many U?
How many P?
How many P is
Yes.
3?
3P, right?
3P. Yeah.
Correct. So that means this is 3P. Meaning what? Meaning your this total how many U? 8U, right?
Yeah.
So meaning your 3P is equal to 8U.
Yeah.
So 1P is how much?
That will be 8 divided by U.
Okay?
8
So this will give you 2 and 2/3 U. So 1P is 2 and 2/3 U.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
So once you get this, then you put it. So P is 2 and 2/3 U. So 2P is 2 and 2/3 times 2U. So this will give you 16 over 3U. So therefore this one is actually equal to 16 over 3U. So with this you can find the answer already. So they say what? Dave at 52 more. So Dave is more. So 16 3U minus 1U. Because it's compared to Ali, right? So it's 52. Can you see from here?
Yes.
So over here it means Dave minus the Ali is 52. So I use Dave minus A from this chart. So now I think it's pretty simple. This is 16 3U minus 3 3U. So it's 52. So it's 13 over 3 52. So you times you 52 divided by the 30 over 3, which is 12.
Oh, quick calculation.
Yeah. So U equals 12. So what they ask? So if I got U equals to 12, so basically this is 12, right? Then this is 24, right?
Yeah.
This is 60, right?
Yeah.
Then this is 4 times. So just use calculator, huh? So 64. So what they ask? What fraction of the bits did Banu have? Banu is 24, right? Can you see? Banu is 24, right?
Yeah.
So 24 over the total. Total is what? 12 plus. So 12 plus 24 plus 60 plus 64. Don't use your mental. Use your calculator.
180. Right?
I don't know.
I'm not.
I don't know. So just use your calculator. Then you get the fraction. How many bits did the children have altogether?
180. No, 160.
So this will be. Let me double check for you.
160.
So this is 84. Then this is 64. So this is 148. 160, correct. Never mind, just use calculator. So the total is 160, by the way. So this is 160. Then this will be 24 over 160. You need to divide by 4. Is 6. Divide by 4, 40. Divide by 2 is 3. Divide by 2 is 20. So it's 3 over 20. So what I want you to focus on is for ABC, you already use U. And this Dave and the total, you cannot use U anymore. You can only use P.
Yeah.
So once you have that, then you will see that 3P is actually equals to 8U. So 3P equals to 8U, then you can find out 1P is how many U, you know. Then therefore 2P you can get this U. So everything in U, that's how you solve.
Yeah.
So this is called the unit question.